Good afternoon from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name is Tom, and today I'll give you a quick look at this 2014 BMW X3 xDrive28i. This is a one-owner vehicle we took in. Had an original sticker price of just under $50,000, and we now have it listed for just under $12,000, $11,980 to be specific. Now, the odometer is currently reading just over 109,000 miles. And the single previous owner took very detailed records of all maintenance, and they paid specific attention to the cosmetic nature of this vehicle. It has been very well cared for. The mineral silver metallic paint is in excellent condition. You can see the way the metal flake really plays off the body lines of the car. It looks excellent on a sunny day like this. I can move on to the front fascia of the vehicle. You can see the headlights. The lenses show minimal signs of any kind of wear or any kind of oxidation, as you would see with most vehicles this mileage. All the chrome trim looks excellent. Same story on the passenger side front headlight. Now I'll move into these premium 18-inch wheels. You can see there's little to no sign of any curb rash around the whole wheel. And the tires included on the vehicle have plenty of life left. Move down the side. It's no different in the rear. Excellent condition. Now you can see the black trim. This tends to really show signs of a vehicle's age because it goes neglected and it will get discolored and fade to a gray. You can see this trim showing no signs of any inconsistencies in color, any kind of gouging. It's been very well restored, and it really contributes to the great look of this vehicle. Move on to the rear wheels. And the front. Well, this vehicle is fitted with over $8,000 worth of factory options. This includes the Premium Package, which allows for keyless entry, as well as this moonroof. Now I'll move into the interior. I'll pop the hood for you so you can see the motor. There's the BMW 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder. Should get you 21 miles in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. See, under the hood, everything's very well cared for, very clean. So I'll let you hear the engine run from a cold start. So all I need to do is get in the vehicle, foot on the brake, and just tap the start button. You see, fire up. You can see indeed this car is still cold. And it runs very smooth. Now I'll move into the interior. Actually, this car is equipped with the cold weather package. This includes not only the heated steering wheel, but also heated seats in the front and heated seats in the rear. Now this is BMW's tried and true infotainment system. You can see I have the navigation screen booted up, and it's all controlled by this hub just here. So I'll push the menu button, show you the different fields available. If you move into multimedia, you can see that through external devices menu, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth or the aux port. Now this Bluetooth feature makes hands-free phone calls possible, and its sound is picked up by a mic just up here. And then if you push navigation, you can scroll through different menus. Now this here's BMW's shifter setup and the toggle switches for different drive modes. Now if you set it into sport mode, you can see sport-oriented settings, and different displays can come up. This can be entertaining for a passenger or even for the driver, showing different fields that will update live as you drive the vehicle. And there's different displays for Eco Pro as well. This is BMW's classic gauge cluster. You can see a mix of physical chrome rings as well as the screens behind. Really integrated nicely. It's a classy look. Steering wheel, you have volume and phone controls as well as your cruise control. And your automatic headlight controls just above this storage cabinet. Now I'll move into the front seat. Show you the bolsters have minimal, if any, wear. This is typically one of the first signs in the interior of heavy use. This car has been very well taken care of. I'll move into the back. You can see this beautiful wood trim carries on into the rear as well. See in the rear seats, beautiful brown leather. Can pull down this armrest for a rear passenger and easily access 2 cup holders, which quickly stow away if you need to fit a third passenger. Now the rear seats also are heated as part of the cold weather premium package. I'll move to the trunk. This is a power operated tailgate. All I have to do is tap that button under the BMW logo. The gate will rise by itself. Then here you see we have the all-weather mats. There's also one included for the rear of the vehicle. Now this is a 40-20-40 split on the rear seats. And it's very easy to fold down the seats if you need more cargo space. All you do is push that button on the top, and then they easily stow away. Same story for these 2 seats on the left. You can see your tailgate controls. All you need to do is push that button 1 time, and the tailgate takes care of itself. Now you can see to put the seat back up, all you need to do, gently rest it against the back, and it'll click into place just there. The seat as well is in excellent condition. And lastly, front passenger seat. You can see just about factory condition. That beautiful moonroof really gives the car an open feel as you're driving down the road. With even more of this beautiful fine line wood trim. This is a $500 option from the factory, and it's really not common. It carries onto the door as well. Well, if you're interested in the vehicle, we hope to hear from you here at AlphaCars. Please reach out to Mike in sales, and he'll answer any questions you may have about this vehicle. This vehicle has plenty of life left and really doesn't show its age. This car looks fantastic from all angles. We hope to see you soon down here at AlphaCars, New Hampshire, just off Route 1 in Northampton. We've got plenty of other inventory to suit your needs. Thanks for listening. Thank you for your time. Have a good one.